Shit, I didn't even realize it was us on TV.
We're on TV, man.
Oh my God, it's fucking real deal. Mom, I finally made it.
I'm
I
famous.
made it. We're made it to the big times.
Big times now, see? We're going places. Like the garage.
I smoked cigarettes. I told you I wasn't racist against
Hit that
Satan.
one right there that says Marv on the top.
Marv right there, Marv. There you go. Ping.
Marv.
Marvelous.
Alright, looking fucked up.
Now, this is it. This is the deal.
There are all kinds of them. You can swipe the different fingers.
He said you swipe it.
Swipe. I said swipe.
Where's reality at? Let's stay away from that one. Hey. I'm seeing red again. There he is. Bang. Oh, it's a little sketchy.
You go here too?
What do I do?
And adjust the way it looks.
Oh, no.
So I got my 2 and 4 like this. It don't work.
Well, we thought it worked, but it didn't, so we apologize to all our fans.
Oh, you fucking dirty slut. I stole this from you. You're a fucking bitch. I got you.
Yeah, we got it.
Got over on you.
It's the fucking dolphin. We got over on him.
$100. I got this and your dog.
We ate the dog. The dog no longer exists.
Still nice.
Oh, yeah, this is a true story. You took her dog.
Yeah. I got the toothbrush shoplifted for me the day after I kidnapped your dog. And it's all these sweet bitter memories that keep pushing through meth-induced fog. And Lucy's not my dog, she's not my dog. Oh shit. It's a different tuning.
How do you go back to the,
This is the gadget thing.
This, right there. No.
Oh, it's just open ear.
Wow, that's kind of weird, man. He stole the dog, he stole the dog.
If you want to stop it, just hit the record button.
Should we start another one?
Yeah,
We'll have 2 movies down right there. 2 movies in one day. We're going to move on to the next one now here. So we're going to go ahead.
Reenact the Civil War.
Oh, the Civil War. Well, I don't know if it's the Civil War or this new Sand War, man, or where they kill the towelheads.